All right. Today we're going to do the Margarita Brat. The Margarita Brat. And as I just said, you just need a little margarita. And we like the ones that are bottled like this,
no,
right?
We don't need a water.
Yep. Oh, there we go. There you go. That's part of it.
You never know. We might spill some on the floor, so we need backup.
Yep. And this is real easy to do. You just get your favorite brat out here, right? Almost looks like an Italian sausage or whatever. Just, but you want a brat, a traditional brat, because we're going to do the Margarita Brat. Now, how do we do that? Simple enough. We're going to take your favorite margarita mix or make it fresh, either or. Kind of all ends up the same. Got the good buzz on. All right. So here we have a meat injector. You've seen this before, right? Very cool. And we're using the meat injector with just the one exit right here, or just the one pump, not the one with all the different holes in it going down. So, okay. So this is what we'll do. We'll just grab it and suck it up. All right. And then you take your brat, and what we're going to do is go right down the middle, like this. Simple enough. And then just give it a little pressure coming out, and it's going to go everywhere. But that's what it's all about, right?
Thank you, doctor.
Oh, yeah, look at that. See? Just load it up. We can do another one.
Pinch it and put it down.
Yep.
Now, let me tell you what. You got a margarita party on, and everybody does, right? This is what you want to do. You want to serve your guests a margarita brat. See? It's just filling up. Cool. And we'll just keep showing, because I know you want to see us do this over and over again. Right there. See? And we'll just slightly squeeze coming out. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, man. I'll tell you what, you have your boss over or your girlfriend, you make these up, you're going to get what you want, man. I'm telling you. There you go. See that? Real easy to do.
I think if you do this at the party, you got to do this whole thing. You got to inject it in front of the.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Are you kidding me?
What are you doing?
Yep. There we go. Perfect.
Okay. From my angle, this is too bad.
Yep. We got it. It's perfect. So, yep. Now, we're going to take these to the grill. All right?
You take that to the grill. I'm taking this one to the bar.
Yeah, we need these. I'd say you're right.
Hey, it's pitmaster privilege, right? You got to do something while you're killing time.
This is it. All right. Off to the grill we go, man.
Everybody.
All right, let's do this. Now, we're using the Weber kettle, as most of you guys know. It's an easy way to do a barbecue. So we'll put these brats indirect. We don't want to go right for the hot charcoal, as you know. And we're going to bake them in a way. Right? All right. Nothing left to do now except go get a margarita.
Margarita.
All right, great. Are these margarita brats done or what? They gotta be, man. Let's check this out. Oh, you can look at that. Look at that.
Look at that char. Oh, yeah, these babies are
Look at the char on the other side too.
Oh, yeah,
perfect.
Ooh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Not bad.
Jose will love these. Trust me.
That's it.
Buns toasted.
All right, toast them up. Warm them up. Perfect. Oh, all right.
Grab it, put one on there, slap a little of this.
Now you can set these up the way you want.
Yeah, that's it.
Impregnated with tequila.
I can smell the tequila now.
All right.
That's it.
Tell you what.
Go ahead.
All right, Warden. Let me do some here. It's hard to just watch.
We're going to do a little bit of a spritz.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
We're going to spritz a little bit on there.
Look at this. Oh, Jose is going to love this. I'll tell you what. Yeah, I like that. That's a good idea. So, maybe I'll do a spritz.
That's a good idea.
All right, I'm gonna keep mine. It's like this. I might use a mustard relish. You can set these up the way you want, but it's tequila. Yoo-hoo. There we go. That's all you need, man.
Hey, what about the cameraman? It's not fair.
Yeah, let's get the cameraman in there to do this. Yeah, make this one up for the cameraman.
Thank you. And I'm gonna have mine plain because I just want to taste that. That's it.
Oh. All right. So, all right, so this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you. You can get your own tequila margarita. All right. You kidding me?
You can taste it. You can taste the sweet tequila.
The margarita
Lemon lime.
is right in there. The lemon and lime, yep. This is awesome.
Simple. Sure.
Man. Oh man. Yep. Nope. No, you're overpowered with Jose. So anyway, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, and we've said this, what, a million times? We've been doing this for 18 years now.
18 years.
Are you kidding me? And another 18 to go.
Amen.
We want to be on that ride to Mars with Elon Musk, because we got to put our flag
We'll plant
on
that
Mars.
flag.
BBQ Pit Boys, and I hope you guys will support us, right? Just hang in there another, what? We might be there. He's talking about, what, 4 years? We're going to be on Mars? We're ready. Cheers up.
Cheers up.
Man. Margarita Brats.
Awesome. Definitely 5 o'clock here.
Definitely. All right. BBQ Pit Boys for life. Man. Did I say that? Didn't I already say for the next time you're looking for a recipe?
Started it and then it was kind of funny.
Oh,
Then
okay.
we got into a little.
I get it. So
That's fine.
the editor will figure that out, right? And we use that AI too. That helps.
Yeah,
sometimes,
we'll just
so.
have the faith. I'm sure you can do this.
This is excellent.
It is.
Definitely. Oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.